Eduardo wants to repaint the clock tower. Eduardo paints 2 square meters per hour. In total, it takes him 18 days and 1 hour to repaint the clock tower. Calculate x. Let's find x. Name the boxes A and B. Now we'll use a formula to calculate the surface area of a box. Substitute the right values and solve to find the surface area. Let's tackle each multiplication individually. Let's gather the terms together. Open the parentheses correctly and multiply by each factor. And there you have it, the surface area of box A. Now, let's use the same steps to find the surface area of box B. Once more, let's gather the terms. And that's the surface area of box B. The total area is the sum of both surface areas. Don't forget to subtract the inner corner. Plug in the correct values and solve for the total surface area. Let's combine all the terms. And this is your total surface area. Here's the time it took to paint all that surface area. Let's change everything to hours. Now let's solve for x. And that's how we solve the problem.